Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a heart-shaped chicken nuggets. Please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. So for this purpose, first of all we have to draw a bucket, first of all we have to draw a line. I will draw two buckets and side by side I will draw a line. Okay, and we have to meet these 2 points. Okay, nice. And you have to meet these 2 points as well. Okay, so now it's another small as well. One it's small, one it's for this is like bucket for ketchup, mayonnaise, or what you like. Okay, I have made it too, and now I have to make nuggets. I will make nuggets heart shape. So for this purpose, first of all I will draw nuggets with pencil because of at the end we will remove it because it will be like this. Okay, so we will dark it later and then we will remove the below part. And now I will make here, like parallel. It's okay, like you can turn your paper as well for easiness. Okay, okay, one, like you can, I think it should be more rounded. Okay, nicely done. And now it's one more. I will draw here, from here to here, like I can turn the paper. You have to this, and now round shape this. Okay, I think it's not made good, no problem, we are just okay. Nicely done. So it's the third. I will make it here, like here. That will become that. First I will draw. Okay, okay, nicely done. And now what you have to do, you have to remove this part, like okay, and remove this part as well. And what you have to do, you have to this, it's almost same, and then you have to remove it. Okay, then nicely it's done. We have to make these hearts like with marker now. Okay, 1, 2, 2 from here, and the line was going here. Okay, and this one we have to draw. Okay, nicely done. And this side we will draw as well. Okay, and now third one. One, and this 2 here, and come up here. Okay, 3 are ready, and this is the 4th one. Okay, nicely done. And now what you have to do, you have to remove that is part it's inside. Okay, now we have done this with this, and now what is more, always smiley faces. We will make different smiley faces and eyes. Here 2 eyes. Okay, one inside white part. I will make it like this, and I will make it this like this. And different face here I have to fill it with black color. Okay, and now different faces I have to make. For this I will make like this. Okay, this I will fill it. Okay, and now for this one I will make face like this one. You have to draw and like this and this, and you have to make a tongue like this. Okay, so now for the third you can make up like this, and this I will also draw this and different type of face like this. Okay, so I will draw these lines like they are directly going this in it. And now you know it's ketchup. When we dip the your nuggets ketchup, then ketchup go out like this. So here ketchup is going out from the like bowl. It's pressure, it's small bucket. So I think for till here our bucket it's ready. So now what we have to do, we have to color it, and I meet you after color. So yupu guys, our drawing is ready after color. So here I have used red, and this is a color of nuggets, you know very well, and you can choose here different colors in the buckets. And please subscribe my channel and watch always full video to have more and more fun. So be careful. Until the next video, we will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.